I love to do my makeup when I'm feeling sad because it feels like an art project. I'm a big fan of period dramas. I'm also on my period. I love like Gabby DiMartino. She's like a huge inspiration to me. Ariana Grande. I love Kennedy Walsh's style, and I love her sister Claudia Walsh too. I need to stop crying first because my makeup is not waterproof. However, a lot of times when I've been doing my makeup lately, I cried it off after I finished unintentionally. So really, maybe I should get some waterproof makeup. I'm kind of just stalling because I'm a little bit stressed about doing my eyeliner. So the first thing that I do, I take this like smudgy, I can't tell if I'm just being dramatic right now because I have an audience. No, I'm not. Okay, I take this Epic Smoke Liner by NYX in the color Mocha Match. I've had it for a while, it's probably expired. This side is a smudge pencil. It's not a typical eyeliner pencil and it's not quite a liquid liner. It's kind of in between, like a gel consistency. I know like Ariana Grande is really good at flicking her eyeliner on. I've seen like videos of her doing that. However, with a smudge pencil, I think it's easier to just do small strokes and kind of build as you go. And it does not have to be perfect at all. And I'll show you why. I take the other side of the smudge liner. I pull the product outwards. I just like to pull it out quite a bit and then I'll clean it up with a Q-tip. I will spend however long I need to on making sure that these two sides are the way I want them to look. Happy with the shape. I am going to take this Micellar Water by La Roche-Posay. Some cardstock and dry down. Next, I'm gonna take this little Tarte eyeshadow palette. This is super old. I'm sure they don't make this anymore. The color I'm taking is Heartbreaker. I wouldn't recommend using this to get pink eye or something probably, but that never stopped me. I just go over where I placed the liner. The reason for this is the liner is a gel product. If I didn't set the product, it would probably bleed onto the like hooded part of my eye. I'm also just gonna kind of like blend the product onto my eyelid because I went a little heavy-handed today. I think it would look good if it was kind of blended onto my eyelid. I'm just blending wherever I feel like the product is a little bit too harsh. Some Laura Mercier setting powder. Making sure you like set the product is really important if you want it to stay on. This will kind of like mute the product, but I'm okay with that because I don't want it to be like super harsh anyways. I will sometimes, I'll go over my acne with some concealer, like spot conceal those parts. It doesn't really work to conceal my acne. It's like pretty noticeable whenever I do it. Anywhere where there's like a little redness or a little like darkness like under my eyes, and just very light-handedly. The point isn't, I don't want it to look like there's skin makeup on. I don't have the right shade concealer, so that's why I'm going over with 2 different concealers. You're gonna be able to see makeup there. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. I'm gonna take more of the Laura Mercier and just really lightly go over the places I spot concealed. I'm not super concerned about whether product kind of wears off throughout the night, because it will, and I don't want to like lose the natural like shininess I have. So that's why I'm just like lightly powdering those areas. And this will also help if you have like acne scars and texture. The powder will kind of help like smooth it over a little bit. Now I'm going to take the Shelly blush by Benefit. I like it. It smells good. I like the color. I don't know. I love blush. I don't have like a favorite blush. I'm still on the hunt. This is the brush I use right now. It's cool, like it's retractable, so you can like put it in your purse. Smile a little bit so I can see the apples in my cheeks, and then you'll see. I don't like to swirl because I don't want to irritate my skin. Put a little on my nose as well. I wish I was a princess. I am a princess. Anyone watching this is a princess. And then, yeah, I'm blending out a little bit. The other place I put powder is under my eye. I bake here, but just sparingly. Don't want any of the dark makeup to get under my eye, like smudge. So that's why I'm baking. Anywhere you use a lot of product, it's gonna end up looking more cakey. This will look a little cakey, but it's worth it to me so that I don't get black under my eye. I'm gonna lightly tug on my cheek and start lining my waterline. Some people will say that doing this makes your eyes look smaller. That may be true. I'm gonna take some Vaseline and put it on my lips. I love Vaseline. And then I have like dryness on my wrists and hands, so I'll just rub any excess on there. Mascara, drugstore, I like Maybelline Sky High. And I'm gonna concentrate the product at the root. I want to start getting into false lashes, but I don't know which ones to buy. I find that mascara is a lot easier to work with when there's a lot less of it on the wand, because you can kind of get into the crevices. I'm doing my bottom lashes too. It's kind of like a doll-like look, I think. And I would love to be a doll. I'm just kidding. I actually think dolls are kind of creepy. I do love that song Dollhouse. I just watched the music video to that recently. So I'm gonna blend out the bake that I did. I like this brush. They should still have something like this that they sell. But I honestly don't know. I bought this a long time ago. Everything, you'll notice a pattern here that everything I have is pretty old. I don't really switch things up much. I do like to experiment, so if there's anything that you guys recommend I try out, I'd love to know. Now I'm taking the Tarteist Pro Glow To Go palette. And I'm taking the top highlighter and I'm just putting it in the inner corners. The Benefit Precisely My Brow Wax. This shade is like a lot lighter than my eyebrows. I bought it when I was like wearing a wig for Halloween, but I don't really think it matters too much that it's lighter. It's just to kind of like set my eyebrows in place a little bit because I have really thick eyebrows. And I kind of think like the lighter colors looks kind of cool almost. I don't know. Typology T42 Powder Pink Lip Oil. I think I bought this from an Instagram ad, or I found it through an Instagram ad, and I like it. I think the color's really pretty. Do I think it's worth the money? Not really. The last thing I'm gonna do is take this Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. It's like this. I got it at Sephora. I think it's fine. And I'm gonna put it on my eyes too. And one on my nose. Fan. So this is the final look. And yeah. So I decided that the finished look is just this baseball cap. I am gonna go to the movies. We're gonna go get ramen and then go to the movies tonight. And I just wanna be comfortable. I was planning on wearing a skirt and like big chunky boots and like a yellow halter top, but I just can't be bothered. It's also really gloomy out today, so I feel like this is the perfect movie date night look. If there's anything you guys want to see, let me know. Stay tuned.